Okay, so I wanted to go over how to do some of these compound area problems. So compound area is when you have a shape that's just not a normal shape and you have to figure out the area. So for example, you see this shape here, and if you actually have to figure out how to solve this, you could create two shapes. So now you have a rectangle and a triangle, and then you find the area of the rectangle and you find the area of the triangle. Here's another one where you have a big square and you have to find the area of what's left over. So you take the area of the big square and subtract it from the area of the little square, and what you have left over is the area that's left. So let's look at this example. Okay. Sorry guys, let me just... For some reason my pen's not working. Alright, so I'm just going to have to draw the shape up here. So this is following along with your worksheet. So if you have a shape, okay, and this is 3 centimeters, this is 15 centimeters, and this is 2 centimeters, and this is 7 centimeters. So you have to figure out where the best way to cut this. So the easiest way right here is this. All right, so then if this is 7 and this is 15, what is from here? We know this is 7, right? So what does that leave this right here? Well, that means this has to be 8. So this is 8. So this will be an 8 by 2. And so that means this area is 16. This will be a 3 by 7. So this area is 21. So 21 centimeters squared plus 16 centimeters squared equals your 37 centimeters squared. Okay. All right, let's do another one. Let's do number 4. All right, so this one I cut my line right here. So now you see it's a trapezoid. So this is 18 here. This is 18. And if I know this whole thing is 39 and this part is 26, what does that make from here to here? Well, you just take 39 and minus 26 and you get 13. So then you have to do the area of a trapezoid, which is your base 1 plus base 2 times your height divided by 2. And your bases are your 4 and your 18. And then your height is 13. And so you end up getting 143 for this. Okay, that's the area of a triangle. And then the area of a rectangle is your 18 by 26. And you end up getting 468. Okay, sorry guys. All right, so there's that one. So the main thing is just trying to get these, figure out these shapes. So let's do one more. Let's do number 10. So what these little lines means is that these are all the same here. No, this whole side is 8. Actually, this should meet in the middle. Sorry, guys. All right, just look at number 10 on your worksheets. Looks like this. All right. And I know this entire thing is 18. So you have to take the area of the large rectangle and subtract the area of the 4 small triangles. And then you'll be left with this area here, okay? So the area of the large one is your 18 by 8, which is your 144. And the area of the small one is, remember, 1/2 base times height. So this is a 4 by 4. And 1/2 of 16 would be 8. And there's 4 of those. So you have 4 times 8, which is 32. So then you have a 144 minus 32, and you get 112. Okay? And so that's how you would do number 10, number 8, number 11, number 12, all of those. All right, and I'm going to do one more for you. Let's try number 18. Notice these are a little off here. All right, so you can't just cut it straight across here. You can't go straight across here. You have to go here. All right, and then I made another one right here. So, let's see what we can figure out. If this part is 4 right here, and this whole thing is 9, and that makes this 5, right? And this is also 5, and we've got to figure out the entire length of this. Well, if this is 5 here, and this is 3 here, that makes the entire thing what? This is 4 here, and this is 5, so that makes this entire thing 9. All right, and we know this whole thing is 11, and this part is 5, so that makes this 6. Okay. And if I know this is 9 and this is 3, that makes this 6. So this is 6 by 6, which is 36. This is a 9 by 5, which is 45. And this is a 4 by 4, which is 16. So 36 plus 45 plus 16 gives you 97 centimeters squared. All right, so please email me if you guys have any questions on this worksheet.